Hi guys, it's Giselle. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we have another Amazon personal shopper unboxing, and this might be the biggest box that they sent me. It's pretty big in size, and there's a ton of stuff in here. Before they sent me this box, I went into my Amazon account and I changed the pricing structure. So prior to this, I believe I had everything set to up to $50. So I went in and changed everything from $50 to up to $100 because I wanted to see the difference in the items that they would send me, if I liked them better, if they were better quality. Obviously they're going to be more expensive, but we'll see if they are worth it. First item up, we have a shoebox here from Madden Girl. So we have this black suede, probably knee-high or maybe below the knee. It doesn't look as big as some of the knee-high ones I've seen. The Madden Girl Women's Firefly Fashion Boot in black fabric, size 7. And this feels like a suede. I do like how it's got a pointed toe right here. We've got like almost like a squared heel here. So these are cute. Next up, this is gonna be hard to show you sitting down, but here is what appears to be like a black trench coat of sorts. Like a collar. It's got like a thin fabric. It doesn't look like it's waterproof trench coat, but like a thin fabric. This is cute, but definitely not something that you can wear in the winter time in New England, which is where I'm at. Okay, so this is by Larkin Row, and this is an Amazon brand. It's called the Women's Lightweight Trench Coat in the color black, and it's a size 4. I think I'm gonna like the way this looks on. This looks like my style. Next up, we have a pair of pants by Hue, and I did like the Hue leggings that they sent me a couple boxes ago, so I'm excited to try these. These are called the Hue Women's High-Rise Skimmer Leggings in gray, tweed, in a size medium. And they do feel like they're good quality. They actually feel like dress slacks, and they don't feel like leggings or tights. That's a plus. Next up, we have a white button-down shirt. Got some cuffed sleeves here. Looks like it has like a little, what do we call it? Like a little, not peplum, but you know, it's got like a little dressier bottom. Karl Lagerfeld Paris Women's High-Low Linen Blouse in a soft white in a size medium. I don't know, I'm not like a really big linen fan when it comes to tops, probably because I hate having to iron things. Next up, we have a little box. We have something here that we have never received before in one of the Amazon personal shopper boxes, and that is a piece of jewelry. All right, let's see what this is. We have, okay, so it is a layered necklace. It's two-toned. I don't know if you can see that. It's got some charms on it. BCBG Generation Women's Lucky Charm Layered Necklace, two-toned. Okay, that's pretty. Next up, we have what appears to be just a regular black turtleneck. Not too thick, not too thin. This is the Splendid Women's 1x1 long sleeve turtleneck in the color black in a size medium. I'm holding it up this way. I have the ring light right in front of me and I can see right through it. So I don't know what it's gonna look like on, but that's always something that I don't really like, you know, when you can see through your shirt. And who wants to wear another shirt underneath a turtleneck? It's so like, you know, feels so constrictive. Next up, we have another shoe box. Lots of boxes in this box this time. We have here a pair of just regular black booties. These are by The Drop Women's Abita High Heel Side Zip Ankle Boot in color black, and it's a size 7B US. I don't know what 7B is. Nothing really to them, just your average black booty. You got like the thick heel in the back here. They're not too high. They look like they'd be comfortable. Last item in the box, we have a pair of jeans. Silver Jeans Company Women's Tied High Rise Wide Leg Crop Medium Indigo Destroyed Jeans, and it's a size 27 by 26, so size 4. I gotta be honest with you, I think I've said this in one of my other videos, other Amazon box videos, I don't think I'm at the point where I'm ready to let go of skinny jeans just yet. I do like bell-bottomed jeans and like flared jeans. The wide leg look, like all the way from the top to the bottom of the leg, I don't know if I can get behind that anymore. Like this is giving me like high school vibes, you know? Like I rocked this in high school. Should I be rocking it again? I don't know. I know it's popular again, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I may try these on and I might think they look awesome. I mean, I've seen girls out there wear these and they look amazing, but I don't know. I do like this little tie front right here. That I do like. I like that. All right, if you want to see me try these items on, stay tuned. We're starting off with outfit number 1. I have the jeans, the turtleneck, the necklace, and the black boots. And let's start off with the necklace. Okay, I think it looks cute with the turtleneck. You can pretty much wear this with anything. The turtleneck is nice and comfy. I will say though, for the price point, I think the material could be a little better. It is comfortable, would probably start like pilling pretty easily. I don't know. Let me move back so you can see the jeans. This is the whole outfit. I kind of feel like I'm playing dress up right now with like 90s clothes. I really do. And although I do like the look, I kind of feel like I don't like the look on me personally. These are the jeans. We got the boots. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think, people? The jeans kind of feel a little big. They're high rise, but I don't know. They're not like snug. I'm used to high rise being snug. I don't know. I know they're wide legs, so they're probably not supposed to be that snug, but I don't know. That's what they look like. What do you think, guys? Can I pull it off? I am getting a total 90s vibe from this. Is it just me? I feel like I should be going to high school right now. The boots, so comfortable. They are really comfortable. You'll have to let me know down below what you think of this outfit. Here we have outfit number 2. It's funny, I was able to make 2 complete outfits with all of the items that they sent me, which I normally can't do. So let's start off with the jacket first. So just your typical trench coat, honestly. You have a belt. You belt it. It's got deep pockets like a trench coat would. It has, you know, your average trench coat detail with the sleeves. And you got your collars. Very, very lightweight. Yeah, that is the trench coat. So we're going to take that off. I'm going to show you what's left. So we have the white button down with the tweed leggings. Although I like the look of this together, like this whole entire outfit, I personally wouldn't wear this white shirt. I feel like it's giving me maternity vibes. I think because of this, like the way that it's, the way that it has like this dressy thing, dressy back. It's kind of wide. It's not really fitted. I think that's why I'm not really into it. It's just kind of giving me personally like maternity vibes. Onto the tweed leggings. These are so comfortable. So these are high rise. They're actually a little big for me, I'll be honest. These are a size medium. Probably go with a size small if I was keeping them. They come with pockets. They honestly look like real dress slacks, but they feel like pajamas. Honestly, they feel like pajamas. So comfortable, but the material is like a tweed, so it's a good material. I would personally consider purchasing these if they were my size. So something to think about. If you wear a size 4, you probably fare better with a size small in these, I feel. I have them paired up with the Steve Madden boots, which I think look super cute. One thing I did want to mention about these boots is, for whatever reason, the other boots were very comfortable. Like they're squeezing my toes. I don't know what it is with the boots and the shoes that I get from Amazon, but I feel like I have such a hard time finding ones that fit me. And I have like a popular size, I think. I'm a size 7, so some of them are really like narrow. Some of them fit me perfectly. These didn't say narrow, so I don't think they're a 7 narrow. I thought long and hard about all of the items that I received, and although I really did like a lot of them, I don't think I'm keeping any of them. And the reason being, it's close to Christmas. Some of these items are a little bit on the pricier side, meaning I feel like I can personally get some of these for cheaper. Maybe if it wasn't Christmas, I would keep the black boots. I did like the black boots. I liked both of the black boots, but they're like, what, 60 bucks, 70 bucks? Yeah, they're both like 70 bucks, and I feel like I can find them for less. So I will probably do that after Christmas. I probably would have kept the Lark & Co. lightweight trench coat. I really, really liked that. If it was the fall, or if I got it another season, just because like I'm ready to jump into like the winter months and it's like freezing here today, I just don't see myself spending that for that particular item at the moment. It's nice to know that Amazon does offer that, so I'm gonna put it on my list of possible purchases for the future. Let me know down below if you liked these items, if you didn't like any of these items. Also, let me know the jean thing. Like, are we like, have we jumped into the wide leg jean look again? Are you in that pool yet? Let me know in the comment section below. I don't know yet. I feel like I'm still in the skinny jean world. If you liked this video, please make sure to leave me a like down below so that I know that you enjoyed it. And if you like these types of videos and you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing below and hitting that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload another video. I have a ton of other Amazon personal shopper unboxings. I will link that up here for you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.